Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm really excited because I'm gonna go to Royal High School for the first time. It's my first day, and I want to go check out my dorm so that I could change this poofy dress because my mom made me wear this poofy dress, but this is not my style. I don't like wearing this poofy dresses, so I'm gonna go to my dorm right now. I wonder who my dorm roommate is gonna be. I just fell. So let me just go in, I guess. So it says my name right there, so I'm guessing I should go in. And it says my name on this door, so yeah. Okay, I better change this dress. See you when I'm done. Okay guys, so I just finished changing my clothes, and I'm gonna go to baking class because I heard that's the most recommended class. So I'm gonna go there right now so that I could see what's up there, to see who's there and stuff. I'm gonna just go. So I think it was this way, or was it this way? I think it was this way actually. So I'm gonna go head there right now, but I don't know what's gonna be like there. So I think this is it, because there's a little house in the distance. Yeah, it is. Because I think they said it's like, and this is the bakery right there, and I think they said it's in a little house. I wonder what to do here. Oh, someone's here. Oh, hi. Surprise, you're not alone. Oh, hi. What's your name? It's really weird. Cupcake? Your name is Cupcake? Oh, you wanna ask for a cupcake? That would've been funny. Then what is your name? Mine's Sandy. Thank you, silly. Okay, so I'll have a cupcake, I guess. Cupcake. Thanks. This tastes so good. How did you make it this good? Thanks. So is there anything about the school? Because this is my first day here. I have no idea anything about it. All I know is all the classes, where the classes are at. Anything special or something? Because that would have been cool. Okay, I'll just wait. Okay, I think she's thinking about something. You'll find out. Why will I find out? Why can't I just hear it now? I just fell. Because I don't know. Do you know anything about the school? Is there anything suspicious? Today is my first day too. Oh. So I'm gonna go to my dorm right now. So I'm gonna go to my dorm because I really need to get everything set up. Wait, what do you need? Okay, guys. She sounds like a really nice friend. So, yeah, this is gonna be great. Did you hear about the school ghost? No, I heard nothing about it. Who is it though? Okay then. Bye. I'm gonna go to my dorm, guys, because it's really, I just need to pack up all my stuff and put my clothes and stuff in there. So, yeah. I'm gonna go to my dorm, so I'm gonna see you guys there. Okay guys, I'm finally at my dorm, and I'm gonna go and just see if my roommate's in there yet. My roommate's not here, so I'm just gonna go. Oh, she's right there. Well, that was a fun time to lock myself in my room until the new roommate comes. You again. Hi. You're my roommate? Hi, I guess. This is awkward. So now what? I'm gonna go in my dorm room. Okay, well, cause I'm gonna go in my dorm room. Yes, see soon. Okay, that was so awkward. That girl that I saw at the bakery, well, her name is Vicky, was there. Isn't that crazy? I didn't even know that. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Do I have homework? Oh my god, I have homework. This is bad. Okay, I'm gonna do all my homework and then I'm gonna see you guys after. Okay guys, I just finished and handed in all my homework, so I'm gonna just go outside to go get a snack or something. Oh, Vicky is here. Hi Vicky. Whatever. What? Whatever. Your wings look different? What? Well, my wings don't look different. Your wings look different. My name is Sandy, I told you. Do mine look different? Yes, your wings look different. Weren't they blue? Not again. Did you like put on fake wings before to make it be longer or something? Because that was kind of weird. No, not Sandra, Sandy. Sandy, not Sandra. Like, can you stop? Okay. I'm just gonna go in a room and be like, by the way, your wings look so much smaller. No, Sandy, not Samantha. Okay, I just... Okay, now where did she go? It's Sandy. Okay, thank you. Now, okay, that was really weird. How did she know my name? It's Sandy. Okay, I just give up. Sandy. It's Sandy, okay? Thank you. Finally. Well, let me be. Okay, so I'm just gonna see. Oh, I mean, damn it. Oh my god. I'm just gonna leave her alone and stop talking to her because she's acting really weird right now. So actually, I can't just stay in my room all day. I was gonna go get a snack. Okay, so now I'm gonna go get a snack right now because why not? I guess I don't know. And the snacks are right here. So right here. So I'm gonna get a drink, and I'm gonna get a caramel frappuccino and a cotton candy frappuccino. Okay, purchase and boop. Oh, hi. Why are you acting like the ghost you? You keep on saying boo. That's... Okay, guys, I kind of feel weird because, like, why is she always saying boo? Did you go to your locker yet? No. Wait, where's my cotton candy? I'm not cotton candy, I mean caramel? Oh, I didn't get it, I guess. Maybe I clicked wrong. I'm just gonna have a cotton candy because these are my two favorites. Where did she go? I'm just gonna go to my locker. So, my locker, apparently it's right next to hers. That's kind of weird. So, I'm gonna just do my locker number. See what's in here. Okay, all I have is, I'm just gonna put this in here. Just don't say anything about that. What? What's wrong with my dress? I think she doesn't like my dress, because why would she say that? What's wrong with my dress? It's blue. So, do you like blue or not? And your shoes are purple. Okay. Don't judge me. I used to have, cause my dress before was pink, and it was really long, so it was covering my head. It is not rainbow. Okay. You're wearing rainbow. I could see that you like rainbow, but I don't want to wear rainbow. Okay, I think she's into rainbows. That is why we cannot be friends. Bye. What? I'm gonna go choose a rainbow shirt if she really wants that to happen. I'm gonna go to my dorm to choose. Like it doesn't matter what I'm wearing. I feel like she has something hiding, and that's why she doesn't want to be my friend. I'm gonna go just change my outfit. Okay, guys, I'm wearing rainbow, and now when she comes, I'm gonna show her that I'm wearing rainbow. Oh, looks like she's right here. I'm wearing rainbow. Didn't you want to wear rainbow? You wanted me to wear rainbow. Red, orange, yellow. You're not? Look, the wings are orange. The shirt is red and yellow. The skirt is blue, and oh my god, the heels are purple. So, what do you want me to do next? Dye my hair something rainbow? She's really acting so. Yes. Oh my god. Really? But your hair's not rainbow. Look, all I see. Look, I already did rainbow. So my frap, it is gone. Okay, I don't care about your frap. If you will leave me alone, I will care about your frap. If you stop judging me if I'm not rainbow, I won't care about your frap anymore. Okay? Fine. Thanks. And now I forgot to tell you. If you drop your frap, it goes through the floor. So you could get another one. Okay, she is really mean. But I'm going shopping with you next time. Okay? I have to go to sleep now. So I'll see you in the morning. Okay guys, I just woke up because I heard a noise. So, I don't know what's going on. Wait, what? Vicky, what are you doing? Oh my god, this is bad. Why is she spying on me? Why are you spying on me? I did nothing. What are you doing? She's acting really weird. See, even what I would wear to sleep is rainbow? No, why are you spying on me? That's not my question. No, you didn't. I saw you hiding behind that flower plot. Just go back to your room. I need to sleep. See you later. Yes, your eyes look purple. What do you think? I'm gonna go to sleep now. Bye. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you go see the next episode to see the rest of the other stuff, what I'm gonna do next. I hope you guys enjoyed. Ricky's dancing on my bed on the background, I guess. And see you guys next time. Bye.